Editing PC, under 50K. Want to edit videos like a pro? Check out this beast of a build for under 50K. Start with CPU Intel Core i5-13400F, 10 cores, 16 threads with 20M cache. RAM 8GB of 2 sticks. XPG 8AT. GAM X-D30 DDR4 for smooth multitasking. Graphics card the Gigabyte. GeForce RTX 3050. WindForce GDDR6. The MSI PRO H610ME DDR4 motherboard ties it all together. Store all your projects in SSD Crucial P3 plus 1 TB PCIe 4.0. Power supply. Corsair CX550 550W 80 plus bronze certified PSU. Choose a cabinet that fits your style and budget. Ready to create stunning videos? This setup has you covered. And don't forget to subscribe.